Welcome to the rainbow shop, come and take a look. Fruits are dancing happily like a storybook. Red, red apples, juicy and sweet. Put them in the blender, hear the happy beat. Mix it, blend it, watch it go. Colors shining nice and slow. Freeze it, don't be late. Yummy ice cream on your plate. Yellow mango, bright like sun. Peel it, chop it, yum yum fun. Green, green kiwi, sour and cool. Healthy fruits are super cool. Mix it, blend it, watch it go. Colors shining nice and slow. Freeze it, don't be late. Yummy ice cream on your plate. Blue, blueberry, sweet and round. Splash of color can be found. Orange, orange, juicy delight. Rainbow treats are fun and bright. Red, yellow, green and blue. So many colors just for you. Fruits are yummy, good to eat. Turn them into icy treats. Mix it, blend it, now we see ice cream magic, 1, 2, 3. Rainbow flavors, cold and sweet. Gulp it up, what a yummy treat. It's so cold, it's so sweet. Look, my tongue is a rainbow. One scoop for you and one for me. Happy as can happy be. Yummy